Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and I'm the owner and creative designer of McFerrin Party. Today I will be showing you guys how to make 3 different types of diaper cakes. There are, well, 3 that I know of. There is rolled, there's folded, and there's the cascaded kind. So I'll just be showing how to do each one of those. The first one I'm going to do is the rolled diapers. I am using 2 different types of diapers. The rolled ones I'm going to use this right here, Parents' Choice, and the fold and the cascade I'm going to use Pampers Swaddlers. What I have are a 12-inch cake pan, 8-inch cake pan, and a 4-inch cake pan. I also have a turntable. This is just it's not really necessary, but I use it so I can turn the diaper cake around and decorate it. I have little tiny rubber bands, and I also have a bunch of larger size rubber bands. So the roll diapers take a lot longer because you're rolling the diapers individually. But essentially what I'm doing is rolling the diapers from the bottom, from the opening to the crease. That way it's a little bit neater. And I'm gonna roll 50 of them. All of these diaper cakes are gonna have 50 diapers in them. Just roll it and then put a rubber band around the center. I only do it once because my rubber bands are cheap and they'll most likely pop if I don't. But I have 1 and now I'm going to do 49 more. Alright, so I also forgot to mention I'm using these tubes. They're a little thicker. I got an idea from someone, one of you who watched my videos a while back, to use these, and it's been super helpful. So I get these from the dollar store. These are pool noodles. Dollar store, they always have them, and I just cut them to the length of the height of the diaper cake. So I pre-measured and cut these, so that's why it's short like this. And what I do is I just wrap it with some paper. And this is going to be the core of the diaper cake. Alright. So now that I have my core, I have 50 diapers rolled. I'm just going to start, I'm going to put a rubber band around the core and start filling in with the diapers. And I try to have all the diapers going the same way, like the fold is facing this way. All of the diapers are going to be facing the same way. It's not. Alright, that looks about even. So here is the base. So I'm going to make the second tier now. For the second tier, I'm going to put another rubber band around the center of the core and start filling in diapers like I did before. Alright, so that is 50 diapers right now, and I don't have enough to make a full 3 tiers, so I'm going to roll some more and add them to the top. I think I need 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I think I'm going to roll about 13 more diapers to fill in the space on the second tier, and then 7 for the top tier. So I have all my diapers rolled. Now I'm just going to continue to finish filling in the spots. And there is the 3-tier diaper cake that with rolled diapers. So I timed myself, and it took me almost 12 minutes to roll all these diapers. Doesn't seem like a long time, but when you have a lot of orders to do, you don't want to do it the inefficient way. But yeah, this is the rolled one. And now I'm going to move on to the folded diapers. So now I'm going to make a folded diaper cake. But because the diapers are folded, it is better to make them in a square form as opposed to a circular form. So I've got some already folded here, but essentially you're just folding a diaper in half, and I'm gonna line them up. Here we go. Yeah, with this side out, with the end of the diaper on the inside. I'm gonna start off by lining up 5 at a time, and then I'm gonna take the rubber band off and join them all together with a larger rubber band. And then I'm going to add a couple diapers to the inside just to make it more of a square. Alright, so now that I've got the square made, I'm going to take out the extra rubber bands from the groups that I made. So now this base is pretty wide, so what I'm going to do is add an extra rubber band just so it can be more secure. Alright, and there's the square. Time for the second tier. So I did the same for the middle tier, but I used 14 diapers instead. And for the top tier, I am going to fold the diapers within each other. So like I have the base here, fold it in, grab the other one, fold that in, and so on. And I'm going to do that with 6 diapers. And that's just so the outside is clean. And here is the square diaper cake. It looks a little messy now, but once you put all the decorations and ribbons and embellishments and all that stuff on there, it'll look a lot neater. But this is the base of the square diaper cake. Okay, so for the cascade diapers or the fanned out diapers, I'm going to put 27 in the base. And I'm going to put them all in a line like so. It doesn't have to be a perfect line because you're going to fan them out anyway. But you want them all even, like flat across the top. So they're all in a line like this. I'm going to grab one with my left hand and grab a chunk with my right and fan them out, pull them out one by one. Alright, so they're relatively evenly spaced out, but it's not perfect, so I have to, go and space them out even more. But before I do that, I place a large rubber band around the whole thing. put the rubber band around the center. Yeah, that's as good as it's gonna get. So here's the base. I already got my center tube. I will start, take the top two off, place the tube down the center of the base, place the top one on, the middle one on, even it out if I need to, and then the top one. And there is the Cascade fanned out diapers. And this one only took me 4 minutes to do. So here are the 3 basic diaper cakes. You have a fanned out diaper cake, which I think is the easiest and quickest way to go, and it also looks really nice. You've got the square diaper cake. I like it too. I haven't made one, a diaper cake with this style yet, but I plan to see how it works out. And here is the rolled diaper cake. This one takes the most time, but I also think that it really looks nice. The finished product is really nice once you add everything to it. This diaper cake, the rolled diaper cake, has 63 diapers in it. The square diaper cake, I was able to get 50 diapers in, and the fanned out diaper cake was 50 diapers as well. Thanks for watching my video on how I build 3 basic diaper cakes. If you would like to see anything else, just let me know. If I can do something better, just let me know. I appreciate it. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. I don't like thanks for watching. What else can I say? I don't know. Bye. Bye? Bye.